Hey, what's going on? Daniel here again. So today in this video, I'm going to walk us through very quickly, probably in under 5 minutes, how to create a custom email address in order to use with your landing pages, your system.io, lead pages, ClickFunnels, whatever it is. So if you're starting an online business, a custom email makes people take you more seriously, pretty much. So it's very easy to create a custom email for completely free inside of Namecheap without having to invest up front. You know, a lot of people want to start a business without having to invest a lot of money, or maybe they just don't have it. So having a custom email that you can create for free that still works like a regular email is really good. So what a custom email does is attach your custom name. It could be your personal name. For example, I'm Daniel at yourcustomdomain.com. So for example, as you can see on my screen, I have this domain name that I just haven't used for a long time. It's called businessbydaniel.com, right? So this is my custom domain name. This is what I use to represent my business. What if I want to have something more custom to myself, an email address that is more custom to me? I can have Daniel at businessbydaniel.com. I mean, that sounds pretty cool, right? So that's what a custom email is. And a lot of landing page builders, a lot of apps that we use in building landing pages and sending email campaigns, they want you to have a custom email because it helps with your deliverability. You can't use your regular Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail to send emails that you're using for commercial purpose. It just hurts your deliverability rate. It goes to spam, it goes to promotions, it goes to anywhere but your recipient's inbox. So this is what your custom email will do for you. So how do you create one for completely free inside of system.io? First of all, of course, you need to have a domain name purchased on Namecheap. So you go on Namecheap, you buy a domain name. If you already have one, even better, and you navigate to your domain list and you identify that domain name. So now that you're here, you see the domain name. What you want to do next is scroll down. Simply scroll down and go to where it says redirect email. So your email redirect is what you want to do. As you can see right here, it says alias. That's going to be the name before your domain and where you want to forward those emails to. So for the purpose of this video and for my domain name, which is businessbydaniel.com, I'm going to use Daniel as my alias, right? So Daniel, it's going to be Daniel at businessbydaniel.com. So that's the only thing you need to do here. And the next you want to do is, what email address do you want to use to receive emails when those emails come in? So for example, I'm just going to use one of my emails. It's going to be ifdaniel@gmail.com. So this is one of my emails, and whenever someone sends me an email to Daniel at businessbydaniel.com, I'm going to receive an email inside of ifdaniel@gmail.com. So that's all you need to do, and you click on the check button, which means you want to save it, and that's it. So anytime you send an email to your custom domain, in this case Daniel at businessbydaniel.com, I'm going to receive that email at ifdaniel@gmail.com. So whenever it is you're trying to sign up for something and you need a new email, you can simply come here and add another one. I can add support, and you can add another one, help, and you can have another email here. I'm going to do at yahoo.com, and I'm going to do save. So anytime someone sends a message to help@businessbydaniel.com, it goes straight to this email, and so on and so forth. So you can create as many as you want, as long as it's not the same email address. So you cannot create two aliases for the same email address, but you can create multiple aliases for different email addresses, if that makes sense. So that's how you create a free custom email inside of Namecheap. It's as simple as anything, and you can use it anywhere. So I hope that helps. So go sign up, check out the links in the description, sign up for your system.io, start building landing pages, start sending emails. It works. I hope this helps. Let me know if it does. Make sure you subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section. I'm making videos based on the comments that I receive. I'm Daniel. See you soon.